Hey guys, welcome back to my channel with another video. Today I'm going to do an unbox from Bhcosmetics. I bought a few makeup. I can't wait to try them on. So let's see what they have here. I bought them like 2 weeks ago, but I just don't have time to make a video. Pretty lazy. Okay, this is how the package. Oh shoot! This is how the package is. Oh, I'm trying to find good lighting yet. All right, this is how the package comes. All right, and this is one bag. Let's start off with the first one. This is what I got here. Let me open it. I can't wait to try this on. Oops. How do those people take this shit up? Oh my god. Well, oh wow. Shit wasn't working. Oh look, I hope none of this shit's bad because it looks like it. Is it me? Oh, I'm struggling over here. One of them worked. But this is how it looks. Yo, the lighting is bad. This is how it looks in the package. One of the yellow one right here, cracked a little bit. So I can't wait to try this on. Bhcosmetics, and then oh shit. And then we have this one here. That's the blush neutral 26 color eyeshadow and blush palette. This is how it looks like. I can't wait to try this color on. But like, ow. What is this one? Did I get this a liquid eyeliner? I don't think I think it was this. I don't think I bought this. Okay, what do we have here? We have the brush, the Bombshell Beauty 10-piece brush set. Oh, this is wet. Oops, I lost it again. This is a package chemical. This is so pretty. It's pink. Listen, the lighting of it is really bad. Okay, this one's better. This is how it comes. Ooh. This is all the brushes. This is soft. What's this one? Oh, I like this one. Ooh. I can't wait to like start using my new brushes. And I love this pink clutch. So beautiful. Okay, let's go to the last one, you guys. Let's see, let's end it. I'll be forgetting what that was. got the Take Me Back to Brazil eyeshadow palette. Take me back to Brazil. Take me back to Brazil. Oh, so beautiful. Oh well. Everybody start dropping stuff. Let me see if I can break. Oh, oh my goodness. Look, 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 look. Look at this, look at this, look at this. Wait, hold on, the lining is... Look at this guy. Alright. Look, I'm like struggling over here trying to find good lining because that shit is bad. Look, I can't wait to try it. Oh, you guys already see. This is how it looks like. The package. So beautiful. Take me back to Brazil. And then the other one is Aurora. Aurora, I can spell it like. It's a color of eyeshadow. Let's see how this look. Oh shit. I'm like struggling and it's because it's open. Wow. Look at this, you guys. Oh my sorry. Oh my goodness. I can't wait to try. Guys, I'm in love. Like, this is my first love. Listen, the thing be acting up. The light. Look at this. So I got this. I love every pieces of everything. They are so beautiful. Okay. Oh, this is so beautiful. Summertime. Hell. Okay guys, that was it. Thank you for watching. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and like below.